All right, here we got this single leg glute bridge with leg lowering. So you're set up on this. You're gonna go ahead and start flat on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the floor. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna have the knee of the straight leg is gonna be right in line with the knee of the down leg, okay? Before I bridge up, I want to make sure that I'm actually rotated and loaded into the foot, the hip that's gonna be the one doing the work, okay? So in this case, it would be with the side that's got the foot on the ground. What I'm gonna do, of my hip pocket, I'm gonna think of rotating that opposite one. So in this case, my left hip pocket towards the ceiling as I keep pressure on the inside of my right foot. When I do that alone in this position, I should feel my adductor on the right side or the inside of my thigh like tense up, okay? It's a sign that it's contracting and shortening, so which we want it to do. So what you're gonna do from there is you're gonna go ahead, you're gonna bridge up, maintaining that contact with the inside of your foot as you go up. You're gonna hold the bridge position. You're gonna go ahead, you're gonna inhale, raise the leg up. Apologies. Exhale, raise the leg up. Inhale, down. Exhale, up. And you're just maintaining this bridge position as you alternate between the inhale, lower, exhale, raise. You're gonna feel a ton of glute. You're gonna feel a lot of adductor on that as well. Make sure when you bridge up that you don't lose that hip position. Tendency will be as you bridge up to let, especially as you start moving your leg, is you'll let the hips rotate too much. Don't allow that to happen. Keep that opposite hip pocket turned towards, squared up towards the ceiling as you raise your leg and low, especially as you lower your leg.